Hi, in this video I'll show you how to change the key for battery on Vauxhall Opel. This one is Vauxhall Corsa. This key is for the Vauxhall Corsa, but all the similar keys are the procedure the same. To start with, we have to open this back cover opposite these buttons. Open the cover and it's got a battery CR2032. If we remove the battery out, we can use this small screwdriver. Let's flip over the battery and new battery, slide in, push a little bit and put the cover back in and just push the cover back on the key. That's it, job done. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.